Some music. Is this thing on? So let's see if, oh shit. Pretty sure I have some kind of computer problem. Yeah, looks good, looks good. We have sound, we have music, kinda. We have chat. So welcome everyone. How are we doing today? Questionable choices, welcome, you're the first. No, welcome. So, it's kinda cold today. It's nice. How's everyone? I'm tired. Okay, let me open some stuff we're gonna need. Like a manual. Well, we don't need a manual anymore. Hey Vinny! How are you, my friend? Yeah, I'm pretty sure the problem is on my computer. Well, I don't know. What more? So Brave, let me open CAD. I need CAD. Where's CAD? Viewer. I'm good. So I was entertained and distracted with my project on CAD, and when I noticed the time, it was 5 minutes to stream, so I had to run to my second shop and start the computer, and yeah. So let me check. Yeah, doesn't really matter. Chip. Yeah. Anyway, so how's everyone doing? We are continuing with the build. So first, let's thank to Lab 4450, sponsor of this channel. Check them out. Link in the description. Portuguese online store. Very cool stuff. Good prices. Ships worldwide. So check them out. I haven't talked to him about any giveaway yet, but we'll do. So today I believe we're gonna start with the gantry assemble, and that's where the manual ends. So we're gonna recur to the CAD. Yeah, I know you were kidding, but anyway, I need to talk with Lab 4450. Usually they provide something for me to give away on the last stream, where we get the printer printing some shit and we talk about it, or any other stuff, and we do the giveaway. It's a tradition, a ritual that I want to keep. Even if they don't provide anything, I will provide something myself. But yeah, we're gonna have a giveaway one way or another. So as I was saying, we're gonna go with the gantry assemble, and there's where the manual stops. So we're gonna get into the CAD and start assembling shit. There are two manuals actually. I'm gonna open the second one and see if there's anything related to... Hey Wish! Oh, okay, so this is the other one that had the electronics was on top and hinging. So this is earlier one, I believe. Oh, let me. Uh, what if I? Yeah, okay. Not that we know of. Silva is a very common last name in Portugal. I believe it. I would say it's probably the most common last name in Portugal, because at the early times the Silva family, it was very big. So probably we are related from many generations ago, but or maybe not. Well, we have some stuff which is better than nothing. But yeah, okay, so I'm gonna keep the manual. Let me put the main camera. And actually I'm gonna do it like this. Yep. Yeah, I remember because a friend of mine gave me a gift, and it was like about it was a text about the Silva family, and no, it was actually just about the Silva family, where it came out. It's a very old family, one of the first families in Portugal. That's why there are so many, because the generations kept spreading, and at least it was what the thing said, and it makes sense actually. Okay, let me open CAD. Missing CAD. So it's this one. It was a very fancy document. The other screen probably. No. Oh, what's going on Sunday with? You guys don't think Fusion. Okay, what if I do this? Okay, so this is my project I've been working past days. So let me save it. Let me check something. Where is it? BMS tools. Micron part1. Okay. Let me shut down the panel assembly. Oops, go away. So actually I should leave the gantry on, so gantry assemble. That's exactly what we want. So let me, I believe I can do this isolate. Yeah, that's exactly. Hey Jose, how are you, my friend? Okay, so these thingies go there, that's fine. So I guess I can put the frame away for a while. So I'm gonna need my guide, linear royal guides, 15s. Where are they? 15s. So, and yes, I'm gonna ship yours tomorrow, Sean. Okay, let me put the main camera so I can put this thingy on middle. Ish. Yeah, that's fine. Okay, maybe I can add a CAD window in here, so let's do that. Add window capture, existent fusion, accept. Okay, let's edit it a little. Transform. Edit transformation. So let's cut like 100 on top. Okay, more 150. Actually, this is on left. 200. Oh, that's interesting. Yeah, something like that. Left is kind of fine. Top. Just the window and bottom. Just like that. Now make it a little smaller. Let's put it here. Maybe a little smaller. Okay. So I will work on here. I remember. And well, you can put it on this corner. Well, it's gonna be there for now. We'll see. Okay, so we need rails. Let me grab them. I need to grease these ones because I haven't prepared these ones yet. Okay, I have the grease in here, and I should have the greasers in here. Where is my knife? Should have one in here, I believe. Yeah, that's there. It's there. Okay, so as I said early, I'm not gonna use the original rails from the kit because usually they are too loose. So I ordered for the Y and X, I ordered rails from CNA on AliExpress. That's the official. What's this? It's the official supplier, or the recommended supplier for Voron on AliExpress, and I've been using their stuff for a while, and okay, let's wait for the X one. And I really like them. Yeah, these are nice. So far I've been lucky. No bad ones. Shit, no text. That's oh, actually it has. Well, this one has. This one doesn't. So let me check. Yeah, so it has some letters here on the carriage. So I'm gonna guide with those. So here we have the factory mark on the rail on the bottom. It's a line engraved. It's actually deep engraved. So line on the bottom and letters on the top. Let's keep the orientation. Let me grab the greaser. So I talked about this greaser on the other stream. It's very cool. Just put it as a carriage and you inject on the top the grease. Then it's like that. So it's like this. Let me grab a piece of paper to clean the carriage. Not the carriage, the rail, sorry. Yeah, it's fine. And let's put in back the rail. And we are good. Let me put in the stop. So that's one. This one is mark on top and the letters on top. So this one it's different from that one. Doesn't surprise me. These sheep rails. I think they are on size. Now that I need to check, because they They don't sell the Micron size usually, but I asked if they could send them at the right size, and I believe they did, but I haven't checked, and it's actually a good time to check. I believe they are supposed to be 220 millimeters. Let me check on CAD. So if I click on one of these lines, what do we get in there? Yeah, 220. So it shows here in a corner, but it's dark and... Oh, actually... Is it? No, I cut it on your side. Is it me or it got smaller? Let me see something. It's transforming. Oh no, not that one. This one, the small one. Yep. So if I do less, yeah, actually now it shows. Probably you guys can't see, but on that corner it shows the length of the selected line. Okay, so let me check with my ruler, which is here. It's supposed to be, yeah, 220. So the guys cut them to size to me, which is awesome. I believe they sell them at 250, pretty sure. Did I clean it? I'm not sure. So I'm pushing with my finger on the groove where the ball bearings run. There we go. Perfecto. And I think we're gonna do the X as well, since we are at it. The rail size, it's not standard. You can buy rails with whatever measurement you want. And these guys, so the Micron rails are supposed to be 220. And these guys from CNA, if I remember correctly, they sell them in 50 increments. So 100, 150, 200, 250, and so on. So, and this guy, and so for this build, I would have to buy 250. Actually, I bought 250, but I asked them if they could cut them to 220, and yeah, they did. I asked for all of them. Yeah, they are all on size. So this one, it's a different carrier or greaser. I'm gonna put letters on top. If I don't invert Let me clean it so I get it in position. So it's like this. Okay, letters on top. Like this. This one, it's to my taste, proper stiff. Yeah, nice. Okay, let's put it in the bag again, because we don't need it for now. Oh, this one it's open on both sides, which is no bueno. Okay, let me grab some alcohol to kind of grease my hands. Garbage. Go there. I don't think we need this, at least for now. Why not just get the bamboo? Well, because the bamboos are no fun. Because what I really like to do is to build printers, not actually just print. And welcome, Pavi. Yeah, if I just want to buy something to print with, sure, bamboo it's the best thing if you want just to get the box, get stuff out of the box and press print. But yeah, where's the fun on that? I like to print stuff, but I really love to build the printers, to be honest. Not really just print. Okay, so dimensions. So they say on the manual we should start 20 millimeters from the... Wait. Oh, okay, so this one actually it's the X one. Okay, so I was wrong, actually. We're gonna need it now. Doesn't matter, we're gonna need everyone. So it's this guy, slightly smaller. What is this for? Oh, this is the, no, actually it should be this one, right? No, this one is for the AB drives. Okay, so we need this one. So I need the other, no, I don't. So my guides to work again. As I said, these guides are prepared for some tolerance difference on the frame, so we need to make sure the screws, the adjustment screws, go to the same side. And I believe the have some, yeah, so I believe it needs to be centered on the rail. So let's take a look on CAD. So let's remove the, no, actually let's isolate the x-axis. And let's remove these guys. Yeah, so we have the thingy alone. So we have 15 millimeters from one side and, oops, same for the other. So let's grab the calipers, set it to 15, lock it, and let's see, the rail might not be exactly, yeah, it's pretty much. So we need a bunch of nuts in here. So we're gonna skip one. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 nuts. Actually, let's do one at a time. Let me put in there. So I'm gonna push to the screw side, sorry. I believe these should be socket heads, but I'm sure. Yeah, I'm pretty sure that, yeah, it's button heads actually on the Micron. I believe they are 8, if I'm not being stupid. Let me check. So I'm gonna just grab one to the side and rotate and check there. Yeah, 8. So let me Control Z. keep it in place. Okay, yeah, it's tight. There it goes. Don't like this one. I want the straight one. Yes, this one. Oh, looks like the camera woke up. Was behaving so well. Got the hiccups. Okay, actually I'm gonna undo this one just a little bit. So I need one here. Wait, did I count it wrong? No. Okay, so I need one here, one here, one here, so I'm gonna put two more. Well, actually I'm gonna put one more. And I'm gonna put this one. This one, it's important to align the rail. There. So this one I'm gonna push against the screw again. And now I can tight everyone in the middle. Since the rail is aligned on both ends, this is a small rail, so it's not that critical. But on the bigger machines, yeah, it's more important. The bigger machines, actually, I used to move the guides around, but on these smaller ones, there's no need for that. Stops. Where are the stops? Oh. That's one. And that's the other one. Jesus. Fine. So you can remove the guides now, or the alignment tools, or whatever you guys want to call it. Be careful not to. This one doesn't slide, so it's not that dangerous. Okay, I assume they're gonna say for us to assemble the... Okay, so this is the frame overview. Okay, this is the idlers, but I'm using different idlers. So... AB drives. So this is the country frame. Oh, let's do the rails on the other two pieces since we are here. So now I need to change the screw to the other side because it's a smaller rail. Let's put in the thingy. What's that? Go away. Okay. And one on the other side. We might need to adjust it. We'll see. And let's check the distances. So according to cut, pretty sure it's centered as well. So we have 22.5, right? Yeah, 22.5 on this side, and on this side 22.5. So again, we are centered. So let me set the calipers 22.5. Hey Kegel, how are you, my friend? We are good. Okay. So of course I need to move the thingy a little bit. Fine. Okay, so this one we have thingies to hold the nuts in place since these are M2 and these are freaking small. I think it went too far. Come on, bitch. There we go. So like this. Let me put in a screw. I know it's not on place yet, but it's gonna be in a minute. Okay, I think I fucked up. So I'm gonna put this one on this side. Yeah, that's better. Okay. Now I need to push this one to this side. Nice. Okay, so now these are not tight at all. So now I'm gonna set the distance. Yeah, that's good. I'm gonna push it against the screw side. Tight it. Do the same on this side. Tight it and we are good. You guys are booting each other. Okay, I'm skipping one now just to... It doesn't really matter, but... Fine. Now I can remove the adjustment jigs. We are missing someone. Where's the... How is it called? Centra? The guy from Switzerland that usually helps me. Sceptra. I don't remember. Something like that. Okay, so the one in the middle is missing, which is fucking awful. I really hate that, but it is what it is. I should have used the bigger ones instead of the small ones, but smaller ones printed faster, so... How is the stream today? It's behaving or it's dropping again? It was dropping at first, but now... Well, usually when I speak about it... Well, it's holding. This one is done. Let's do the second one. Same story. Boot, he kicked like someone, one dropped when the other came in. Like the... dropped out of the stream. Okay, so this one like this one like this. Now let's aligned. Perfecto. Okay, a friend of mine sent me a message. Let me just reply him. Okay, so I'm gonna push it against the screw again, as usual. So the idea, it's the guides are machined to a high tolerance, but any clearance, I have a few cents of millimeter for clearance on the linear rails, because they are not exactly always the same. They have some variations, but very small compared with the frames. So Atrorex. So for that, some you notice they fit like a press fit, a light press fit. So those are good, but some slide, and to avoid or to get them better aligned, I like to push the rail against the guide in the same direction of the screw. Since the screw is pushing in here, it's pushing the rail towards there. So we're gonna push not the rail, the guide towards there. So we're gonna push the rail against the guide in the same direction to eliminate any kind of clearance that there's in the machining. I made these alignment jigs because the very first time drive safe, true Rex. The very first time I saw someone, it was Nero actually, building a Voron. When I saw the alignment jig for the rails, a 3D printed alignment jig, I immediately laughed, because yeah, that thing, it's pretty much the same thing as eyeball it. So I made some alignment jigs myself. The first ones were fixed with no adjustment screw, and it worked on the first frame where I test the jig. And then I noticed that on the other frame, while on the same printer but another piece of frame, the fitting wasn't nearly as good as the first one, because I tuned for the first one and I assumed all the frame was identical, at least on the same printer, on the same batch. But yeah, no bueno. So I made the second version, which has I don't know, 0.3 of a millimeter tolerance on the screw side, and this way the rails are always aligned. Even if they are not perfectly centered on the frame, but they are straight, and that's what matters. And that's it. And we are out. Oh, actually, we are missing two, the ones on the ends. Yes, the BFE, so those are the beefy idlers, right? Yes, these are beefy idlers. It's a full R1. The R1 already includes the BZI and BFI. I don't know why is it BFI. Oh, beefy front idlers and beefy Z idlers, yes. You cannot see because of the manual. Well, the manual doesn't say anything about the new version, so it stopped on the gantry. So I decided to open a old manual. At least it's better than a no manual. But I'm getting the CAD as well. So and yes, these are the old idlers which we are not using. So I'm pretty sure I'm gonna drop the manual soon enough. And it's nice to get an idea of what we should so I have a window with manual. Oh no, the frame is out. The frame is out. It's not there. But what am I moving? What's this? I don't know. So if I move it, you see the frame, it's in the floor. You can see it anyway. There's nothing. The frames, actually the frame for the gantry is here, so there's no way you could see it anyway. So this one, it's the back. These ones are the Y's. This one, it's the X. Could be something like this. Now, let's take a look at the manual, at the CAD. Let me... Okay, so maybe now we should actually go for the front idlers, which are the beefy ones, as you can see. Okay, so let's grab parts. What do we need? So these are the accent ones. Let me remove big stuff from here. So we need something very close to this. And we need 4 of them. Actually, I believe they are all here together. It should be... So we have this one on this side, this one on this side, and most likely this one under. Yeah, so if I... No. Yes. So they are like... Shit. Yeah, like this. Let me check something. Nope. Nope. It's like this. And like this. Okay. Good. So we need the front thingy. We need the front thingies. Well, actually, I have more of these thingies. Okay, I need to make sure. So I'm gonna take them out as well. I either printed too many of them or we're gonna need more. Okay, so we need these front thingies. Shit, I should reprint those. Those are very ugly. The first layer wasn't perfect. Yeah, who cares? We need, I believe, these thingies as well. Yeah, these thingies are pretty sure they are needed. And where's the other front? Is it this one? Just one that has the Micron logo? No, it's two of them. Well, it's very possible I printed one of each. Okay, let me put the printer heating. I need to print another one. Good night, Beanie. Oh no, it's here. It's here. I found it. Yeah, and I printed also the non-logo ones, right? Yeah, okay. Found it. Okay, so now let me grab the normal parts. So I'm pretty sure this is one of them. So we're gonna need these soon, but not now. What's this? No, these are twisty thingies. I need to take out big pieces. Yeah, we're gonna need this soon as well. The other one. And I need logos. I need logos. Let's see if these things fit properly. Like a glove. Kinda. Shouldn't they go more? Don't think so. like a glove. Let me check the cat. Okay, let me put, nope. Shit. Okay. Huh. The fuck is this? Okay, I need to go other way. So this thing is front idlers. This one. I need to get up and actually read. Okay, printed parts. Front covers. Okay, this one we don't want. Cutter. Oh, okay. I see. Okay. So according to them, this should be flush. And this should be flush. So let me see if I have some kind of imperfection on the bottom. Looks pretty good. Oh, I actually bought a new tool, but I have it downstairs. Looks pretty good. Yeah, it's fine. Probably a slicer. Oh, it's probably, yeah, probably it's a slicer problem. Because I use 0.3 first layer, and probably the slicer killed one of the top layers because of the first one being so sick. Yeah, probably that's the most likely scenario, which actually makes sense. On these small details, but that's fine. I can live with that. Yeah, this one is exactly the same. Looks like I have one layer difference. Yeah, it's fine. It's fine. Okay, so what do we need more? Okay, let me check. We have the carriage. We have the thingy. Yeah, I don't think we need anything else. And we have the thingies. So we have the carriage, the front, the house, and that's it. We don't need anything else. Okay, so let's put these aside. So we have this thingy. So this one, it's the left one, though. So this is supposed to be It's not the left one, it's the right one. So this is supposed to be like this, right? A little tight. Probably the corners. Yeah, it's hitting the corners. What's that? So I think it needs to go flush, right? Okay, so let's put it flush like that. So frame is down, rails is down. Now what? Now I assume we need one of these thingies. Is it like this? Let's see. So the front doesn't matter, the fronts are equal. And they will go here. I believe this thing should have, yes, it has inserts, so let's take care of that. So there are inserts on the back here. Probably I should zoom in a little bit. Oh. So let me grab the heat press. Where is my spacer? Okay, let's put in the if someone bought a steel press kit from AliExpress and they got these soldering iron, it's a little hot, that one. I can vouch for his, at least mine, durability, because it's been on since last stream and it's still working, so yay! Good eater. Hey Lizalv, how are you, my friend? Yeah, okay. Well, actually, yes, I'm right. I'm right. Okay, so let's put these again aside. So, let me hide the front, because we don't need the front. Yeah, so it's exactly the part. So it uses 12mm button head. 12mm. So I have 8s there. I have nothing there. So yeah, they are here. Well, actually these are smaller. shit, and I mix them, which is no bueno. Oh, this one it's big. Well, fuck it. Bunch of 12s in here. Okay, so according to them, we need a 12, and we need spacers, hymns, washers, whatever. So these are M5, 1mm. No, we need these ones. Okay, according to them, we need 2 bearings. And I assume 2 washers. Yeah, 2 washers and an M12. Okay, so let's grab 2 washers. 2 bearings. So it goes 1 washer, 2 bearings, flanged ones against each other, and another washer. Oh, it clicks, which is awesome. And yeah. These are actually very nice. So let me check what screws do we have here. Big ones. 20s? Okay, let me put them aside. Yeah, 20s, right? 20 or 25. Actually, it's 25s. Okay. So we can install everything together like that, and 25s. These are not 25s. 25s. So we need 4 of them. Like this. And like this. And they go in like that. Cool. We're gonna take care of the nuts. Well, we can take care of them now. So we want them this thing flush. Let me sure it's flush. Let's put 4. If the drop-in nuts work fine. Fuck that. Actually, they do. Guys are too quiet today. Okay, let's put 2 more on the bottom before we forget. This one needs too loose. Where's my straight one? Oh, it's hitting the... Okay. It's hitting the... Oh, boop. Boop is nice. I would like to try boop, but since I'm gonna use... Actually, the idea was... Let's see if they don't drop. I'm not that confident. When I first start the Micron, the idea would be installing boop, but since Beanie convinced me to try the cartographer, I don't know how to pronunciate it. Chart, I believe it would be cartographer. So yeah, I'm going with it. He says it's very, very good. I'm gonna believe him for one time. Let's give him a chance, right? Okay, so... this guy... Okay, this guy, it's the other way. Actually, I got scared for a minute. Yes. Well, we'll see it. We'll see it in action. But yeah, the first idea was doing boop and actually machine the CNC parts for it. But yeah, since Beanie said that cartographer it's so good, well, fuck it, let's try it. And I really would like to try it since it's cam. So, and I'm using EB36 in Ken as well. If it works well, I believe it's even better. If it's like he says it works very nicely. I believe it's even better than Beacon because it's cheaper first, and it's CAN. So just connecting the 4 wires to the tool head. I believe what's in here? Oh. I believe the EB36 has a CAN connector, an extra CAN connector in there. I believe, I'm not sure. I think I remember seeing it, like one of those GSTs, very small ones. So yeah, let's try Dark Magic tech. Okay, so next probably the AB drive, right? Let's see what the old manual, yeah, as I thought. Oh wait, first we need to build the rest of the idler. That's helpful. Okay, so same stuff, 2 bearings. Two washers, an M12 screw. So the assembling is first 1 washer on the screw, then the 2 bearings, flanged ones, and last the second washer. Then make sure the washers are on the right spot, and then we have to click the screw in. It has a clicky so it doesn't fall, which is very smart. And Micron logo, M325s. Let's put them flush with the heat certs on the back, like that. And push everything in, and we're good. Sync. What's going on there? Front idlers done. Put that in there, that in there. Okay, so motors for the, where are the motors? They are there. A and B motors, which are, I haven't checked it. Oh, they are moons. Nice, I like moons. So 1.8 degrees, nice. Let's grab the parts for the A and B. So I assume these are some parts, so these are not needed. And I don't know about these, but I'm gonna put them here for now. Okay, I don't remember then. I like moons. But I believe you. So if you say I did, I most likely did, and I don't remember. Okay, so we have this. Don't fall. You scared me. Okay, we're gonna need these later, but not now. Hey, wait, I'm missing one. Shit. Yes, the rest are stepper online. That's... Well, the rest, not the rest, the Z ones. Because the one for the extruder, I believe it's also moons, I'm pretty sure. Yeah, I remember that one. Didn't it fall on anything? The big part. So... Am I missing one? Pretty sure I print them. No. No. Pretty sure I remember seeing all the 4 parts on the plate. Let me do... Sometimes I have the parts on my end and I don't see them. Let me... It's a big freaking part, it's not something like that can hide in the shadows. It's not in here. Let me check on the printer files. I'm pretty sure I'm 90% sure that I printed it. So let's go Brave. Let's go Brave. Why isn't it showing? Brave. Brave. I need to turn on the printer. Oh, it's on. So these parts were printed on my B. So well, not history. Let's go to G-code files. Of course. Nope, 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 nope. Why? Shit. Oh. So this is Singies. Okay. Yeah. No, it's not this one. It's not this plate. So it is not this plate either. Yeah, they are there, all four, so I know I print them. Everything is in there. Okay, so what am I missing? Did it fail? Did I... No. No. Let me check next to the printer. No. You guys. Yeah, I need to check in the garbage, but just in case. It's not in the floor here. Where the fuck? I only have 2 boxes with parts, so found it. Okay, found it finally. You'll never guess what it was. It was on the box parts. Okay, so these match together, so I like to give it some file just to remove the eye spots from the extruder. This plastic prints so well. Okay, this one has some slight variation in here, which I don't know if it's supposed to or not. Honestly, I don't think so. So this match with this, maybe. Actually, maybe. So this one, I have no idea which one is this. So the motor should be on the bottom right. So this one should be on this side. So let's check. Hey. Not really, but I sell them if you're interested in getting a set. I have several sets. Actually, I'm gonna send tomorrow one set to not one set, actually 2 sets for the 4 questionable choices. I can share the CAD as well. I believe I have the CAD. I'm pretty sure I do. I sell for 20 euros a set. So a set of 2020s or the 1515s, it's 20 euros plus shipping per set. It's not cheap, but it's the price I got to, because these are not easy to machine, they are not hard to machine as well, but the time I need to make them and to make it so I won't lose money and actually helps the channel, I decided to go with 20. So if you want a set, you ping me on Discord, and I'll set you up. Okay, what am I doing? I'm blocked. Thank you, guys. I need to set up a channel on Discord or something like that, where some stuff that I can make, and okay, I want the A and B drives. Okay, one of them is a switch spot, so that's the other one, right? Yes, I just want to check something. Why do we have oh yes, because we have the pin version and yeah, okay, this is supposed to be all flat. Yeah, doesn't matter. Yeah. Okay, never mind. Okay, so I'm gonna use the pin mod. So the pin mod basically it's a mod that you don't use pins instead of screws for the pulleys. And I never used it. I'm gonna use them here. So well, we'll talk in private, but yeah, I have a bunch of them. I have them here actually. Probably there are some more in the drawer. And I have both versions for 2020 and 1515. Okay. So, since we have a spot here for the end switch, the Y ohm switch, end stop switch, whatever you guys want to call it. Hey Spectra, how are you? I need to take a look into the electrical part of the kit to put it here. But yeah, we have time. First we need okay, so we have the motors, the wires facing the outside. So this is the bottom piece. This is the outside, right? Right. No matter if it's, yeah, it's like this actually. And yeah, sure, man. No problem. Like that. Oh, a build is never finished, so don't worry about that. So I assume it's about the same. We need an M36 in there, on that corner. I'm pretty sure it's the same. Yes, it's the same. So M36s, I believe I mixed some here. Yes. Pretty sure they are 6s. Yep. So we need 2 of them. So one here. One here. So to a drive. Okay, actually here they say to the middle of the printer, but the wiring to the middle. Oh, actually it's one for each side. Well, shit. Okay, so the one with the Z stop, the end stop, it's actually to the other side. I'm not sure if the car it's that's the B1. I don't know if I'm gonna regret this. Actually, I need both to the middle. Because, yes, because we're gonna have a drag chain. Yeah, I need both to the middle. Yes, exactly. That's what I was thinking about. Because I need both to the drag chain, and the drag chain comes from the middle, so it needs to be. I got to that conclusion also, but thank you for calling it out. So both to the middle. Oops. Yeah, okay. That's what I thought. So we need pulleys. Let's Loctite them. It's like they sent extra grub screws, which are always welcome. So one, which one? So the one with the end stop, it's with the screws to the motor side. So it's this one. This one has the slot for the end stop. So screws down. Let me lock it on the Z, on the flat, just so it's in place already. It's not tight. Oh Jesus! You have four motors on your Micron. That's a little overkill. Just a little. So this one, it's the other way. Okay, best the zip tie for the... So assuming there's a zip tie place in here somewhere. Oh, I see it. I see it. Jesus, that will be fun. It's doable, right? Well, from the outside it's doable. Let me check. Let me see. Where's my zip tie bag? Shit, it's not. Let's see. Well, you might be right. Yeah, it's doable. It's doable. Where's my long pliers? Yeah, it's doable. But yeah, it's a good idea. It's a small... Oh, okay. This is very small. It's a very small for the... Why is it so small? It starts big and it ends small. It's not too small. It's not too small. It's not almost too small. It's actually too small. But it's only the top side. Because when let's check the cat. It's stupid because it starts on a good size. Go away. Jesus, go away too. Wait. Okay, it's here. So this is a bump. Come on! Aim. Rigid group. Okay. Well, on my print, it's very smaller. The top. The top, it's very much smaller than the bottom. Probably because of the squish. And since it doesn't have a chamfer there. Yeah, it makes sense. Okay, but we're gonna leave it. We're gonna leave it. I should look into the... Okay, did I place both? Yes. And I'll lock it. Yes. Yes. Fine. Hey, the Reverend! Yes, I'm working on the gantry. Now we are all blessed. The Reverend is here. Okay, so leave it. Okay, so we need the... Well, on this one we don't need because we don't need to put in the end stop, right? Yeah, exactly. We just, you can even put it on the end, right? Just push it in. I'm gonna use end stops. I don't like sensorless. Don't get me wrong. It's not that I have anything against it. It's just I don't like it. Okay, so let's take a look into the... I know it's not black magic like beacon and that shit, but V. Come on, V. Okay, nice. Oops. Okay, so it means the first one. Actually, okay, let's move it just like that. Okay, so we have it like this. We need one in here, another in here. Yes, if it's too sensitive, you can get false positives, Okay. These look a little high. You guys didn't... It's too high. I believe someone lied to me. Because someone said it would be 25 millimeter pins. And I'm pretty sure it's 20. No, actually it's 25. So that means this one, it's not fully in. Now it is. So I just want to check the, yeah. Yes, it was you. It wasn't fully in. I guess he made it tight. So probably it has the hole, it has two sizes. So where is it? It's there. Let's check. So it sticks in there. If it's properly done, I would do it like that. But actually it's not. Actually it's not. It's just tight. Yeah, and I cut them on purpose because I have 20s, lots of them, hundreds of them, but I didn't add the 25s. So but I had long shafts like this, and I cut a few of them. No, I thought he would have done two diameters, like the first half at 3 point something, so the pin would fit, and the bottom piece a little tighter so it holds the pin, but no, it's all the same. It's everything the same. Anyway, moving on. Everything been loose on this build until this thingy. Luckily, I have a press in the shape of a pliers. Yeah, that's good-ish. Nice. Fill it. Yeah, it's pretty much the same. So we need bearings. Bearings. Where are the bearings? Yeah, it should be fine. Oh, actually, let me put in the easy. So on this one should be here and here. These three are for the motor, so it's here and here. So let's put him. Yeah, that's on. Shit, this one is worse. This one I need some... Well, actually I'm gonna remove the screw for the motor for a minute, so I can put in the pin. These little pliers are expensive, but Jesus, they are good. They are very good. Yeah, I saw your message. You used a bunch of colors on that thing. Pretty sure it's gonna look amazing. And I'll make the PCB as soon as I can, man. I'm sorry, but it's been nuts. And I really need my gun to be finalized. Yeah, these Knipex, whatever, they are awesome. Okay, so this is the typical Voron stacks, right? Washer, bearing, washer, rinse, repeat. So, yeah. So this corner, so this one, it's the one with the, it's this one actually, it's like this. So this one, yeah, this one is easier because it's going to be like that. Like that. Whoa, 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 whoa. Okay. Don't scare me. Yeah, on this one, there's no mistakes because we know that the long one takes 2 and the small one only takes 1, and then on that one it's reversed. So yeah, it's easier to start on this one. So this one, the belt will work on the top. Yeah, it makes sense. If you look at the pulley as well, it's full of hints if you know where to look at them. So this one, it's the other way. So this one only takes 1. And this one takes 2. right? I think so. Or if both on the corner. It's probably both on the corner, to be honest. Yeah, now that I'm thinking about it. Because it's mirrored. So washer, washer, 2 more, like this and this. Yeah, so this one passes like that, this goes like this, and another washer. Nice. And yeah, so I believe we can set the pulleys now. We can center them by high with the bearings. Not sure if I should do this already, but makes sense. Yeah, that one, it's nice. If we don't, if we need to adjust them later, it will be doable still, but I believe now it's a good time to do it. Shit. At first, you should tie the one on a flat. Come on, yeah, like that. Like that. Okay, so with the longer motors, I assume, not the longer motors, the longer shaft motors, I assume someone made a piece that attaches on the top here with a bearing and fits the motor. That's what I would do. Okay, so let me do some surgery on this thingy. Yeah, now that I see the problem, it's easy. Actually, I should remove that one as well to do the same in case of I ever need to replace the... So what I'm doing, I'm just enlarging the top hole for the zip tie. It's nothing important. Let's see if it let me try a new one, because this one it's all stretched already, just to check if it's easier to... Yeah, with the pulley on place, it definitely makes things harder. Oh yeah, much less force needed. Much less force needed. So let me try with both pieces. To be honest, the hole could be a little bigger towards the inside. There's clearance for that. So which one is it's this one. It's like this. So it's together. I want to see how hard is to put it with the shit. First I can see shit. Now I can. Yeah, it's definitely not easy. Because the pulley, it's in the way. It's everything helping. So the pulley, it's in the way. The hole is too small. Yeah, no point. I'm glad you talked about this, because it's definitely way better to put it first. In place. Actually, I'm gonna even lace it. Nice. And didn't you change this thingy? I'm gonna tell ArtK to change this, because there's no point. It's just half a millimeter on that way, and everything will be fine. Actually, I'm gonna move it to this side. Let me see if I haven't lost any washer. Nope, I didn't. Yeah, that's fine. Can make that work. Ah, okay. You made a new one. Okay, yeah. That's nice. Everything proper, nice. Good rotation. I like this. I like this very much. So many idlers still. So 2 to the front. No, the fronts are done. 4. So we have only 2 on the X, right? One on one side, one on the other. I think I'm gonna have spare bearings. We'll see. No. No, I'm missing 2. Yeah, that's fine. I'm missing 2. So the top on this one. I should have passed the reamer on this one. Well, I still have time. I think I will. I think I will pass a reamer here on this one. Hopefully. I'll get it done. Yes. Okay, let me grab the 3mm reamer. No problem, mate. Thank you for stepping by. See you next stream. So 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3. It's this one. Let me grab my drill holder. Small one. Big one, it's downstairs. Actually, I prefer the big one, but it's downstairs. Come on. What's going on with you? Jesus, I can barely fit. This thing, it's bigger than 3. Yeah, 3.5, but the reamer it's 3, right? Yes, the reamer. Strange. Chinese reamers. Yeah, just fine. And let's pass on this one too. Jesus. So it fits nice. There we go. A different motherboard? What do you mean by a different motherboard? We got the Manta. I'm gonna use the Manta. Okay, we have a... Actually, we have a hole to tight that screw, which is a good idea. Yeah, the Manta 8P, it should be a good motherboard for this thingy. I even bought a Compute Model 4 for the thingy, because I don't like the CB one. Don't like the idea of custom firmware, custom builds for the thingy. Especially Chinese builds. Okay. Next. Mine is a V1, I believe, not a V2. Yeah, CB2 for me it's the same deal. Nope. I don't want custom. I already have CB1 on my V0 and not for long. Yes, I agree with you. I really like the M8P. I guess I need to check. Maybe I can just swap the processor, but I need to check the schematics on both motherboards. If it's the case, I'll buy a processor from a V2. I need to check if everything is the same, the connections are the same, the pinout, especially the processor pinout. If it's the same, it should be. It's the same case. It's the same brand. Okay, I did that. I don't care about that. Did that as well. So front ones. Okay, so let's go to the front thingies. The only thing I don't like about the CB one, it's the custom firmware build. You can't go to the Raspberry Pi and to the imager and just get the official clean thingy. You have to rely on the Chinese build, and I don't like that. And CB1, you don't have access. You can't use DSI screen, which is also a bad thing. The pinouts from the processor, I need to check the processor, not the board per se, but the processor. The processor, it's the only thing that matters. Well, the processor and of course the crystal. But yeah, probably for the price, I would just buy a V2, but I don't see the need yet, since I haven't even tested this one. So okay, I need 2 more. Yeah, it would be easier just to replace the board, and I'm not sure how much it costs a Manta V2. Shouldn't be very expensive. Of course, you can get the processor for $5 and the crystal for a few cents, but probably it's not the same layout, otherwise they would just change the processor. Well, I'm missing one part, right? Yes. Yeah, exactly. There we go. I think I found it. Yes, I did. Okay, so on this one. Okay, give me a minute. I'll go. I need to go downstairs just to grab something, and I need to grab a screw that I don't remember the size of it. You still? See you next stream, Wish, and thank you for stepping by. You're awesome. So next stream should be when? Probably on Saturday. I think I'm gonna make a stream on Saturday. Okay, let me remove this guy, because I need to grab one. Yeah, probably I'll do one on Saturday. Probably. Keep an eye on Discord. So this thing is 30 millimeters, right? Yes. Okay, so give me 2 minutes. I'll go just downstairs to grab this screw and another thing I need. Actually, a few things I need. So hang on. 30, it's here. M3 30 button head. M3 30. Yes. And I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. I'm back. Okay. Okay, so what do we have here? You go there. Screws, so we need one. And put the other ones in here. And so this is a power supply. That goes here for now. Water pump to fix my my induction heater. So these are chips to fix my, or try to fix a laptop. I'm actually probably gonna try to do it after the stream. And this thing is very cool. So this is a V6 TZ hot end, which arrived yesterday, I believe. So it's basically a mini V6 cooler with a bamboo style heater block. These things are super cheap. I bought one to try. Probably I'm gonna assemble it on this machine, since I don't think we can use the... I'm not sure if Artk took a look at this yet, but I don't think we can use these ones in here. Well, we can. I can, if I take it to the mill and shave like 1.5 millimeter here on the side of the heater, because no, now it is, I think, but when I bought the kit back in June, I bought the kit in June, it was still the CHD one. So yeah, probably I'm gonna... Yes, I know now it is the TZV6, but back when I ordered it, it wasn't. And I was thinking about using this one, but this one can't be used. Again, I can, if I modify the heatsink, just shave about 1.5 millimeters, something like that. Let's check. Yeah, 1 millimeter actually. Yeah, 1 millimeter it's enough. If I shave 1 millimeter off the side, I can use this one. So probably that's what I'm gonna do. We'll see. And I ordered this thing. I don't know if you guys ever seen this. I actually seen this on Facebook. Which I rarely use. And I found it very cool for some stuff I make. So this thingy, it's a little sander. It has several heads, like this. Oops, like this actually. You see? You can put a piece of sand that actually they come with pre-cut. I haven't even opened this. So they send you, see, it's pre-cut, and it's it has glue, it's thicker. This one it's very fine. So this one it's 1000 grit. You glue it on the head, and then this thing oscillates to front and back. Let me grab like my ruler. And it has several speeds. To be honest, I don't know how to work it with it, but I know it has several speeds, and it's very precise. So if you need to, sometimes we need to sand some pieces to fit together. And yeah, it has several heads. It has like a corner head, half round, a square one. This one it's half round, it's kinda roundy. I'm a sucker for tools, so as soon as I seen it, I had to buy one. It's not super cheap. This thing costs about 40 bucks, I believe. But yeah, for some of my work, it's awesome. So I'll put a link on my Discord, if I remember. It has these stickers, I have no idea. I think it's for you to... I'll put on Discord. I think it's for you, it has several of the same number. It's the sandpaper grit. I believe it's when you put one on your thingy, you can glue it here so you know which grit do you have. That's what I think. So what grit you have on that head. And yeah, it comes with several. I need to check. They sell more of these, the pre-cut ones. I haven't checked that. It's used. I really hope they do. It's pretty cool. I found it pretty cool. When I seen it, I was like, damn, I need one of those. I saw it on Facebook, but I realized usually when I see this kind of stuff on Facebook, I go to AliExpress because most of the time the price is better, and they were asking for, I believe on Facebook it was $64, and I paid on AliExpress 42 or 46. It's, like I said, it's not super cheap, but believe me, for some things I could have used it already and it would be cheap for the time I wasted micro sanding some stuff to fit together. So let's take a look. Yeah, I'm actually sorry because don't have it longer ago. I don't even know how to call it. Well, shit, I'm gonna go... Give me a second. Let me go to my account and grab the link. It's gonna be easier. Or at least grab the name. Yeah, I think the problem is actually my computer about the stream dropped severally now. Where is it? Could be here. Oh, it's here. Actually, I'm lying. I actually paid... No, 46. That's fine. That's nice. Huh. It's more expensive now for some reason. But wait. So this one... Yeah, it's the same. And it's 40 bucks. Okay, copy. So this one, it's the one I bought. Now it's more expensive for some reason. Give me a minute. Yeah, this one, it's more expensive now. Usually I work in US dollars because it's cheaper. I pay in dollars. And my conversion, it's cheaper than the conversion from AliExpress. But there's here It's the same thing. It's exactly the same. This don't tell how many pieces is, but it's the same. And let's check this one at 32. Yeah, it's 21 pieces, 12 pieces of thingies, 8 heads. It's the same as mine. Not sure if I'm pretty sure it has the box. Yeah, it's the same brand, DSPI. Yeah, it's the same thing. And it's cheaper, way cheaper. So I'm gonna copy, paste here. Shit is too big. How do I shrink the link? Here. Come on. Oh. Copy friendly URL. It's the same thing. The fuck. I'm gonna put it on Discord. Pretty sure if I do only, let's check. If I do only here, it's gonna do the same. Yeah, it's gonna get there as well. Okay, so this one. You guys can check on Amazon. I know from the other side of the Atlantic, Amazon is a better thing. But why is this thing in Portuguese? Probably because I'm in Portugal, right? I hate. I'm always changing this shit because the translations suck. So yeah, I'm yes, bro. So here it shows the box. Yeah, it's exactly the same as mine. Except it's cheaper. And it has RGB. Yeah, I know the feeling. I'm a platinum buyer on AliExpress. I don't even know how many orders I made. Where can I check that? I spent thousands and thousands of euros on AliExpress, mostly in tooling. I don't even know. My account, maybe? Jesus, how can I check? Well, I've been Nice. I haven't done that yet. At first I was on eBay. It was everything from eBay. Then I started to find some stuff on AliExpress that I couldn't find on eBay and better prices. And soon as I got into the AliExpress, yeah, I pretty much never got on eBay again. And now I'm starting on Temu, but Temu it's a hit and miss. It's a hit and miss. You can get some really cool stuff very cheap if you find it at the right time. Like I got my microscope for my digital microscope for 55 euros, 55 euros or $55. Anyway, yeah, it's kind of like that. But you can. I got an oscilloscope, a portable oscilloscope for $25, which was very cool. But yeah, it's exactly like that. It's a TikTok version of AliExpress, and I don't use TikTok at all. And many stuff is junk, pure junk. At the first time I tried Temu, I installed it on my phone, and on the first hour I probably received more than 50 notifications, and I immediately uninstalled it. I didn't even bought anything, I just installed it to check stuff, and the phone was always ringing. I know I could have disabled the notifications, but I didn't like the fact it was spamming me with notifications, so I immediately uninstalled it. It was literally less than an hour. So yeah. But now it's not like that. Anyway, so let's remove this from here. Let's get back to the front camera. Oh, no, sorry, the main camera. And I'm going to install the reamer on my big handle. And we're going to go to the from the XY joints. So we have, I believe, I need to check. Is this on top, on bottom, or what? I check the cat. Okay, we need XY joints. Where are probably on the x-axis? X-axis. Why isn't it showing? No, to left. Okay, let's go like that. Yes. Okay, so let's move this thingy aside. Let's move the screw so we can see. Everything is 25, right? I assume so. You like to use the same. Yes. No point using different hardware. Okay, so that one, it's basically this one. Yes. So it's like this. So these are the bottom pieces. The bottom pieces, I'm gonna leave them tight because maybe I'll do just a little. Where do these things? So one is here, just a little on the beginning. Not, yeah, sure on this one as well. I have the right reamer, right? Let me make sure I'm not fucking this up. Yeah. So fine, and this one. Everything on my machine is smooth and fits together, except the pinholes. Look, the fitting it's perfect of the thingies, but the damn pinholes. Well, the cheap ones are cheap. The expensive... No, this is a reamer. This is actually a reamer. You can buy them cheap, or you can buy them expensive. Okay, I think I got... well, I think I fucked up this one. No, it's fine. You see if I am fully... Shit, I can't. Oh, it's not this one. It's probably this one. No, it's this one. It has to be this one. Okay, this one it's on the top side is perfect. Yeah, I think I'm gonna need to reprint this part. Let me check the length of the print of the pin. It might be oversized. No, it's 24.9, so it's not. So this is like this, and it should be here and here, right? Yeah, this is very, very small. I think I'm gonna reprint this part. I'm tired anyway. Let me check. So let me check the size of the holes that the guy put in here. So these are 135. That's 2.8. So I assume those one. Maybe did I printed the wrong ones? Oh no! How the hell? So he has 2.9 millimeters. Yes, I placed a small chamfer on the pin. Yes. So he placed the 2.9 millimeters. Is this the pin version? No, this is the screwed one. This one is even worse. So this one, it's the pin version, right? Pinned, it says there, pinned. So it's the lower version, it's this one. Yeah. So right pinned, lower. It's a 2.7 hole. How the fuck will a pin, an M3 pin, fit on a 2.7 hole? It can't. It will even, if it's a 2.7, it will be a 2.4 at maximum. Let me check the this one. So which one is the pin one? Where do we have selections? Not on the A-axis for sure. It's going to be on the drives, pinned. Actually, it's that one. Okay, so that one. So that one has... Okay, this one is 1.6, so it's a 3.2. That makes sense. So that makes sense. A 3.2 millimeters kind of makes sense. But yeah, never a 2.7 millimeters. Never a 2.7 millimeters. So yeah, I'm gonna reprint these parts. Yeah, you'll message him. I was about to do that as well. That's a mistake there. So I'll need to, because I'm pretty sure I fucked this one up. Yeah, and I actually have this set of drill bits, which is, it's a cheap one, but it's useful. It's in tenths of a millimeter, so I have from 1 to 6 millimeters every tenth. So we can actually measure the size. So it's 2.5. Let's check 2.5. So a 2.5 drill bit doesn't fit on the hole. It's 2.5. Let's call it 2.5. It's a very snug a decent fit. It's so snug that I can't remove it. But yeah, it's a snug fit. Let me check on the flute size. Yeah, it's a snug fit on the 2.5, and usually the drills are kind of yeah, it's a little under. They are a little under size. So 2.5, it's actually a 2.45. So yeah, never. It would never work. The top side seems decent. Let me check with the 2.9. Yeah, the top side fits. Even the 2.9 fits perfect. The 3, it's tight, which is what we want. So yeah, the top sides are fine. Let's check the CAD for the top sides. So the top sides, it's this one. Yeah, it's 1.7, so it's 3.4 millimeters on the tops. So yeah, he fucked up on the bottom ones. So let me correct it. Let me put these things on side. Okay, so it's that one and this one. So this one, it's the screwed one. This one, it's the pinned one. I think I'm gonna do 3.3. Let's call it 3.25. 325 looks good. Extend to the bottom. Cool. Same story here. Come on. See. Do I have caps lock? No. Yes, I do. 3.25. Extrude. Down there. Go. Let me delete the chamfers and make bigger ones. 0.4. Okay. Well, I'm not checking on the STLs. We can check on the STLs as well. I'm checking on CAD, but we can check on STLs as well. So yeah, new project. Yeah, it can be here, doesn't really matter. Let's go here, machines, Micron, R1 beta, STLs, gantry, AB, no, x-axis, XY joints, So the lower left pinned and the lower right pinned. That's what we want. No. Okay. And it's that one and that one, right? Let's check. Measure. That guy. Shit, not that guy. That guy is the chamfer. We don't want to chamfer. Restart selection. We want this guy. Come on. Okay, let's do other thing. Let's do that way. Yeah, that way. Yes, that one. Yeah, 144, 140. That's 2.9. Actually, this one, it's not the same as the. It's not the same as the cat. What about this one? 2.9. Even so, 2.9, it's way too little. But let me check the other one. Because I think, yeah, this one is smaller. So they are not even the same size on the on one side or the other one. Okay, restart selection. On this guy, that one. Yeah, this one it's 135. Of course it is. And this one it's the same. Pretty sure. So yeah. So they are not the same on one side or in the other. And they are both undersized. So yeah, this is what I like to contribute to the 3D printing society, because usually this kind of shit always happens with me. So that's fine. That's fine. I'm used to it. I'm used to it. So this one, it's fixed. Let me export it already. This guy, save as mesh, 3MF, okay. XY joint, lower, pinned, fix. And no, save at yeah, let's go to micro burner, which is easier, and let's put it on the rightful place, x-axis, joints. Yeah, okay, there, save. And this guy, so which one is the pinned one? This one doesn't even have a chamfer. It's 145, so it's probably not the pinned one. Actually, they are both 125, 145. Yeah, okay. But this one, I'm pretty sure it's the pinned one. Left assemble, left pinned. Okay, so this is the one I need to fix. So I'm gonna delete the chamfer. Delete. 3.25. E for extrusion, and go there, boom, die. Same story here. .25 E, boom, no, there, boom, die, and let's chamfer 0.4 millimeters, fine, and yeah, let's export it. Yeah, I'm gonna export this one. Save as mesh. Gonna have the same name. Okay. Fixed. Yeah. Okay, so yeah, pretty much I think I'm gonna stop here. And I'm gonna reprint these pieces. I don't need to reprint these ones. These ones are good. Actually, no, probably that was me. Let me try a 2.9. Yeah, 2.9 it's fine. Yeah, it's fine. Yeah, this one is tight, which is what we want. Yeah, that's perfect. And that's perfect. So yeah, I'm gonna reprint these pieces. I have to reprint some other black pieces as well, so I'm gonna take the chance and do that. I'm gonna leave it printing overnight. Yeah, I'm gonna finish here. I'm gonna throw this away before I fuck up. About the reamers, Spectra, you can buy cheap reamers for the 3D printing stuff. Pretty cheap on AliExpress. You can even buy a set. I bought these, but I bought these separately. So I bought these, all of these, but you can buy them cheaper as a set, as I said. So I bought these, all of these in, so it's from 1 to 10 in 0.5 millimeter. No, actually it's from 1 to 6 in 0.5 millimeter, I think. And then it's from every millimeter. No, it's to 7. So it's from 1 to 7 in half. So 1, 1.5, 2, 2.5, 3, 3.5, 4, 4.5, 5, 5.5, 6, 6.5, 7, then 8, 9, 10. No, actually there's another one half in here somewhere. It's the 7.5. Okay, so it's 1 to 8 in halves, and then 9, 10, 8, 9, 10, and it cost me, I don't know. The small ones cost me like $1 or $2 each. The full thing cost me, I believe, something like 30 euros or something like that. I bought all of them and I use for machining, and I have good ones downstairs for machining tungsten stuff. Like I have 2 millimeters, 3 up to 22 millimeters for machining. But those are another story. It's not that cheap stuff. But these things, only for plastic, for 3D printer stuff, these things work very well and they are cheap. And even these drills, this drill set from 1 to 6 in tenths, it's very useful and pretty cheap as well. It also cost me 25 bucks, something like that. And it's very useful. So, but yes, I have reamers. Well, most of my reamers downstairs, one reamer cost more than the whole set of those. So yeah, I know what you mean. I have one reamer down there that cost me 100 plus euros, so a 22 millimeter one, carbide. Pretty good one, but so yeah. So I'm gonna finish, guys. I'm sorry about this. It's not my fault, but yeah, we're gonna end early. But this is our life. Finding stuff, finding broken stuff and fixing it. Sometimes breaking stuff and fixing it or trying to fix it. And yeah, that's it. So I'm gonna reprint the parts and I see you guys next stream, probably on Saturday. I'm feeling I'm gonna do a stream on Saturday. I'm not sure, but I'll try to. Either Saturday or Sunday. We're gonna do a stream. And soon as my life gets a little better, I mean less busy, we're gonna change the schedule. Instead of 2 streams on a week, we're gonna do 3, like Monday, Wednesday and Friday, so we can move faster. But I need to get my stuff going on first. So yeah, thank you for watching. Again, it's how much for you to teach Cap? Nah, I'm gonna do that for free, man. The intention of buying a Milo is just for you. I don't need a Milo for anything, and of course for my addiction to building shit. But the main purpose of Milo, I was talking with Bini about this, it would be to fix it, like the mods, make the mods that I think that need to be done, at least the essential ones, and start a series of teaching CAD, or not teaching, but because I can't say teach, because showing how I do stuff, it's the proper way to do it, to say it, because there's a million ways to do the same thing, and I want to work with the CAD and the CAM. That's true as well. That's true. So the idea of the Milo, it's exactly that. It's designing a piece and then making it. That's the point of yes, the idea is also I also want to do that. Also, I want to go into the Milo the changes. Actually, we're gonna start that soon. Do the changes in CAD on stream, see whatever we need to change and change it on stream, and then eventually I'm gonna actually create another channel on Discord eventually. I don't know when, but the idea is for people, hey, I want to design this. I would like to know or something like, I would like to know how you approach to designing this part, and then me going and how I would do it if I could do it, because I'm not a master on CAD, especially with the organic shapes. Those I'm pretty good with parametric stuff like rectangular or that kind of stuff. But when you go with curved surface and shit, no, that's not for me. I'm not the guy for that. I would like to know, but but I sadly don't. I would like to pay for a course if I could somewhere in here to learn how to do the organic stuff. I tried to watch some YouTube videos, but it's not the same thing. I would like someone to... A mellow fly mini pad. I don't know what's the... Let me check. So mellow fly mini pad. Mellow fly mini pad. Oh, okay. So that's pretty much the same as the, well, not the, I don't say it's the same in dimensions, but it's pretty much the same as the BTT 3.5 touchscreen. Oh, they have a resistive one, a capacitive one. Shit, it's expensive. What's the connectivity on this thingy? Oh, it's standalone. Fuck that. Oh yeah, I see the back now. So basically, yes, that's what I was about to ask. So basically, this can act as a Pi as well. You can have a clipper on this thingy. So can I put one of these thingies on my V0 and just remove the CB1 and shit, connect the board directly to these, and it would work as a standalone? It's pretty slow. Let me check the definition of slow. So it's TFT plus Plylight, because we can put a Pi 0 on a V2, so on a V1, V0, sorry. And Pi 0, it's not the fastest thing around. So CPU for yeah, it's not. It's not that slow at all. For 500 megs of RAM, DDR3, fine. It's the same as a Raspberry Pi 3 anyway. Canvas. Huh. Main problem I see, well, it's not a problem. I can just remove a connector and solder a USB cable directly to the board. And well, I think I'm gonna buy one of these things for my V0, because I really fucking hate that TFT resistive screen. And if I could use the and I hate the CB one. That's a plus. That's well, but this isn't much better than the CB one. I need to use the specific image for this thingy, right? So the CB one problem it would be the same, but Mellow Micro 4. Let's see what's the Micro 4. Well, Kegel, that's a 5 screen inch, right? The HDMI 5. I assume it's a 5 inch. That's bigger than the fucking V0. Mellow Micro 4. Well, I love the... Oh, so that's the main board. Well, the main board I'm happy with... Jesus, this thing is small. I'm happy with the... with the SKR Pico I have. Even a 4.3, it's too big for the V0. V0 3.5 or even the 2.8. There's a Waveshare 2.8 which ArtK actually uses. It's very cool. But the 3.5, it's a perfect size. At least I find it a perfect size. And it's just fucking resistive. There was a version from Waveshare early on that Steve has one, but I think it was HDMI, I'm not sure. Well, I have the perfect one for a V0. Give me a minute. Don't go away. Don't go away. Okay, I'm back. Okay, so let me delete these thingies. I'm sorry. Okay, so I got the perfect screen. Hey, easy cowboy one. So this one, it's the perfect one for a V0. Let me grab a V0. Hmm. Let me disconnect it. So, see? It's perfect. You just remove the front screen, the front skirt at all, and it's perfect. Yeah, this, if I knew about this thing when I built my Skyla, this would be the one, because of all the temperatures and shit. It would be awesome on this thingy. So yeah. It would be even more perfect like this. But yeah, I would use it like the I would have used it on my Skyla if I knew about it before. So this is a Waveshare 7.9-inch DSI screen. Ultra wide. And they have one even bigger. I believe it's 11 point something. It's even wider. The BFS? What do you mean BFS? BFS? I have a bunch of... I have two 5-inch screens that I bought for... both of them cost me $38, I believe. Big fucking screen. Well, that's it. I'm gonna try to fix a laptop that died on me. My electronics stream laptop. It died. I was expecting sooner or later, but... So I'm gonna try to fix it. I think I know what's the problem, and I'm gonna try it again. So this is time now. I'm really gonna go. Again, thank you guys for watching and making me company and making me laugh, because it's very important. We need to laugh. And yeah, see you guys next time. And thank you for watching. If you guys have any doubts, please comment below. If you guys like the content, please subscribe and smash the like button, or like the smash button, as Nero says it. And thank you for watching. Bye bye. Thank you.